there are days that we struggle. There are days that we doubt our mental status. You know, we go negative, we speak negative, we act negative, go through lots of pain or traumas or whatever that is. But you know, we behave and we get triggered and a lot of things that happens. Those days I prefer to just get lost in nature. So what I do is I just take my bike, go somewhere that I've never been, and just get lost in nature. So today I've decided the same because I was struggling, I was behaving unusual and you know, getting angry, and I didn't know what to do. So the best remedy for me is to just take the bike, go and get lost somewhere that you have not seen. So I ended up in this place. It's an amazing and beautiful place. What it does to me is it's definitely bring the positive side in me. It calms me down and help for me. Most importantly, it helps to regulate my nervous system and you know, give me that kind of peace of mind, and to reflect on how I was feeling and how I was behaving, and you know, take a small step towards you know, how I want to be. So let's find out. Anyway, this is a place that I ended up, and we are going to look for a waterfall which is very secluded and you know, I guess local only. So I'm just walking towards that waterfall and show you guys how it is. Hello.
Yeah.
Ayam Batutu, yeah?
Yeah.
You know what ayam batutu?
Of course.
Sit down, please.
Thank you. And satu ice teh.
Satu esek.
Yeah. That's
Yang biasa, apa spesial?
special.
Spesial.
Yeah.
Harganya berapa?
Whenever I have gone to the north of Bali, I've always seen this road and I always wanted to check what is there. Now I see that there is an ecotourism village which is called Periyan, and also I can see a Duaji hidden waterfall. So let's go find out these two things. Oh, di sini. Ah, makasih Pak. Makasih ya. Okay. Wrong place, but not so far. Let's walk. out what we have. Hello, Ibo. Get me so excited. Look at this. It's still Bali. It's still so closer to the Canggu. And look at this. This is real beauty of Bali. Wow. This is when I really feel that I'm blessed. I'm not sure where I'm going, but there are a couple of signs that says that it's the hidden waterfall. So I'm guessing because nobody has come this way or nobody comes this far, you know, the way is not so easy. Oh wow. Okay, we're here. It's fucking cool, guys, to get to a place like this, like without even knowing. And just it's a small waterfall, but it's in the middle of nowhere, so it makes super fun. Beautiful. I'm not sure if I want to get into this waterfall. Still need to figure this out. Like, I don't see it very clean right now, so I just need to figure it out. And I'm not equipped because since I've just come here without any plan, I'm not equipped, or I'm not carrying anything. I'm not sure if I can get into the stream from here. I need to find another place, but it's a beautiful, beautiful stream. Okay, let's find another way. Maybe closer to the rice fields. Let's find out. I definitely want to go towards the stream, so let's just find a way to get to the bottom of this place. I'm sure that there is a way, because you know, there's a rice paddy and there are farmers around, so obviously they're going to the stream for sure, so we can have that access to the stream. I would love to have a dip in that stream. Let's find out. Oopsie. Okay. This is absolutely beautiful and stunning. Wow. Look at this. This is what I really needed today, I guess. Nature. Nature has its way, its own way of, you know, just letting you know that come here. It's okay. You know, you can get better. You can do better. You know, I'm here to help you. Once you start dealing with nature, it's the most beautiful way of healing. Look at this. Wow. It was a beautiful day. Just going through all these villages and unknown places, and reached a place where I could go to Jethului, which is a beautiful side of Bali, and which is one of my favorite side of Bali. Now I didn't go to Jethului because I just wanted to go back home, so I'm going through these small villages again. Easy and go, probably another couple of hours I'll be home. So what a beautiful day. Unknown places, and for me, when I